All right, now that you've gone over lesson 1.2 and 1.3, I would like for you to please turn into your math journal and go to page number 6. Please do this page and then correct your answers by using this video. So right now, pause the video, do the page, and then let's check your answers. Okay, now that you're done with the math on this page, let's go over the answers together, okay? So the first problem is which angle is bigger, okay? And the angle that's bigger on here is DEF. You could have also written FED. Either one is correct. You can see that the ABC angle is just a little bit smaller than the DEF one. All right. So let's keep checking our answers. All right, I just had to adjust the camera. It says draw BAC. What is another name for it? Okay, it says CAB. You can see that I used a straight edge to draw my angle. I made sure to connect A to C and put the arrow at the end, and then AB and put the arrow going that way. And what is the vertex? I need to write that in, don't I? The vertex is point A, right here. You can see that A is going to be the middle part of that angle, so that is the vertex of angle CAB. Okay, let's go over number 4 now. It says, Fang said the name of the angle SRT. Is he right? Explain. So no, the vertex S must be in the middle. So the way that he wrote it cannot be correct. Remember that we want to go from one point of the ray to the middle point to the other side. So the two correct answers could be RST or TSR. Now, just remember, if you're not getting these right, that's okay. This is practice. We're practicing to make sure that we understand what we've learned. Okay, now let's go over problem 5. This one, you may have different answers, and that's okay, at least for some of them. So the first one says draw AED. So we know that the vertex of this angle has to be E. So we're going to start with A, we're going to draw it to E, and then draw to D. Make sure that you have arrows at the end. Okay, what is the vertex of the angle? The vertex is E. That is the middle point of the angle. So this is the only correct answer for this one. Okay, then it says, what is another name for AED? Well, we can start with D, go to E, and A. So this has to be DEA. The next one, 6, says draw a right angle whose vertex is point C. You could have a few different answers for this. So C is right here. C has to be the middle point. I chose to draw my right angle through E and D. So my answer is ECD. You could have written DCE. Another possibility would be if you did BCF. That is also a right angle. Okay? The other, number 7, says draw an angle that is smaller than a right angle. So remember, a right angle forms an L shape, so we want anything that's smaller than a right angle, okay? So the one that I chose to draw was FDG, okay? That's my angle right here. But there's other possibilities. You could have done EDF, you could have done ACE, that's smaller. You could have done BCE. So there's a few different answers. Just make sure that your angle is smaller than 90 degrees.